What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Our Fantom prediction from our last video played out to an absolute T. We've seen an explosive bounce here. We're currently sitting at 228. We're up almost 16% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.82 billion, 24-hour volume, 764 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour chart. I talked about us coming back to the key level of support, which was the previous all-time high. And the fact that the MACD was in the floor here and we previously had an explosive move off this level of support gave us a strong indication that we're going to see a bounce here, and that's exactly what has happened. We've broken out of our descending broadening wedge and we've come all the way up to this level of resistance, the 1.272, which is at $2.33. If we come over to the 4 hour time frame, we're back above the EMAs. So if we can break this level of resistance, your next target is the target from your wedge here at 244. We are in price discovery for Fantom, so your next target would be the fib extension here, $2.59 and $3. These are all take profit areas. I have locked in 25% of my trade here at 233, and I'll let the rest ride and see if we break this level of resistance and can head up to our next targets here. If we look at Fantom on the daily, we've allowed the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. It was really healthy for us to go through this correction, to see this consolidation, as I have been mentioning, to allow the EMAs to catch back up. And that's exactly what has happened here, and we've bounced. I talked about Bitcoin consolidating in this range. I said if we see some consolidation here, what we'll see is the Bitcoin dominance start to drop down, which is exactly what happened. The Bitcoin dominance came down, and we've seen a nice little pump here for Fantom. So shout out to everyone that bought in here at this level of support. Maybe you dollar cost averaged into your trade like I did. You're currently up 20%, so shout out to you. And also a big shout out to everyone in the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You can sign up through the Patreon. So let's finish off the video here. I'm just going to stick it onto the 4 hour chart. So if we can break this level of resistance, the 1.272, do target 244, and then you have the 1.414 up at 260 and $3, the 1.618. All right, guys, if we were to get rejected here, do watch the EMAs as support here on the 4 hour time frame. And then we have this strong level of support if we were to roll over here, if we fail to break that level of resistance at $1.92. But as of right now, we beautifully bounced off a key level of support. And as you can see right here for Fantom, got a little bit overextended, came back to the EMAs, beautiful pump. And that's what Fantom loves to do. As I've been mentioning here, when it gets overextended, it comes back to the EMAs. Beautiful pump once again, overextended back to the 20. So we've come back down to the EMAs. We came back down to a beautiful level of support. And the MACD was in the floor here on the 1 hour time frame. We were just having the bullish cross. And I said that gives us a beautiful opportunity to bounce, and that's exactly what happened here. So just keep an eye on this level of resistance. If you bought in down here, I wouldn't hesitate to take a little bit of profits off the table. You don't have to take your whole position. I just closed 25%. And we'll see if we can break through this level of resistance going forward. All right, guys, that's it for Fantom. Make sure to check out crypto.com, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button. All right, take care. Much love.